I am very excited about this one, guys. I have seen some crops that have been very profitable in small farms, and as always, I am here to share them with you. These picks are based on pure research and experience, and as I start with the first one on my list, please subscribe to my channel to stay updated. So the first one on my list, the one that tend to be very profitable in 2023, is microgreens. Microgreens are young vegetable greens that are harvested at an early stage, just after the first true leaves have developed. Examples of microgreens are cabbage and lettuce. What makes microgreens one of the most profitable crop is their quick growth and high market demand. Microgreens can be ready to be harvested within 1 to 3 weeks after sowing, depending on the type you grow. Since their shelf life isn't long enough, they become unattractive in the market early, and so fresh ones are needed on the market almost every day. You can tap into this opportunity and make decent revenue from microgreens. Since they don't grow into big plants, you can grow a lot of them in a small garden. Just to know, the microgreen market size is valued at USD 1.77 billion in 2023 and is predicted to reach USD 5.82 billion by the year 2031. I suggest that you partner with a market woman even before you start to grow your greens. In this way, you are sure that your product will be sold as soon as they are ready. The next on my list is cherry tomatoes. The cherry tomato is a type of small round tomato believed to be an intermediate genetic admixture between wild currant type tomatoes and domesticated garden tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes range in size from a thumb tip up to the size of a golf ball and can range from spherical to slightly oblong. Cherry tomatoes typically mature and can be harvested within 60 to 80 days after transplanting. That is roughly 2 to 3 months. It is highly profitable and its demand on the market keeps growing as health consciousness increases. Available markets include retailers, direct consumers, restaurants, and food processing industries. I have personally grown this in my small farm a couple of times, and I can't stress on how people rush to buy it once it is ready. Okay, so the next on my list I will talk about is okra. Okra, also known as lady's finger, is a warm seasoned vegetable that thrives in hot climates. It typically takes around 50 to 65 days to harvest okra after planting. The plant produces distinctive green pods that are harvested when they are young and tender, usually around 3 to 4 inches in length. Okra can be quite profitable for small farms due to its high demand and relatively low production cost. It also gets ready to harvest early, like 2 to 3 months, which means that you don't need to wait forever to cash out. Sounds good, right? The plant's ability to withstand high temperature and thrives in areas with limited water availability can be advantageous for small farmers dealing with challenging growing conditions. Your target customers are restaurants and various food preps. Reach out to these people once your okra is ready for harvest and sell to them in bulk. Okay, so the next one I will talk about is lettuce, especially. Lettuce is a popular leafy green that can be harvested in as little as 30 to 70 days after planting. Its relatively quick growth cycle make it an attractive choice for small farms looking to turn over crops efficiently. Lettuce profitability stems from its high demand in the market due to its versatility in salads, sandwiches, and as a garnish. Its relatively low production cost, especially when grown on small scale, contribute to its profitability. The need for lettuce on the market is evergreen, so you can know that your product won't stay home once it is harvested. Alright, at this point, the last one I will talk about, but not the least, is garden eggs. Garden eggs are versatile and nutritious vegetable commonly grown in gardens and small farms. The time it takes to harvest garden eggs is typically 60 to 80 days after planting. These small to medium-sized fruits come in various shapes and colors, including white, purple, green, and even striped varieties. Garden eggs are popular in many dishes, often used in stews, salad, dips, and even as meat substitute in some dishes. For small farms, garden eggs can offer a profitable crop option. They have a relatively low production cost and can fetch a good price in the market due to their culinary versatility and health benefits. Garden eggs are a good source of dietary fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, making them appealing to health-conscious consumers. You must know, however, that the well-being of eggplant strongly depends on the provision of adequate sunlight, well-draining soil, and proper spacing. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have grown any of these before, let me know in the comment section and how it turned out. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my future uploads. As always, happy farming.